Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy a Domino's gift card online. Open the website dominos.com, then click on the option that says Sign in and earn rewards. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the lower part of the screen. Click on the option that says Gift Card. On this page, select the type of gift card you wish to purchase. You could choose from e-gift card, plastic gift card, or corporate gift card. In this video, I'm gonna buy an e-gift card, so I clicked on the Buy e-gift cards button. So if you also chose e-gift card, select the design of your card. Then click on the Next Step button. After that, select the desired amount of your gift card and enter all the necessary information. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Add to Cart. Review the order summary, then click on the Checkout button to proceed to the last step. So on the checkout page, just enter all the required information to complete your order. That's how you buy a Domino's gift card online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.